Life is truly moving at a very fast pace. Haraka sana. Maisha inasonga haraka sana. We are all headed at a place where embracing appliances that will make our life easier, embracing convenience is no longer an option. And there are appliances that were deemed to be for a part of society, a part of our people. Kuna watu, those appliances were meant for them. To some people, they are just like luxury. It's no longer the truth. One of those appliances is a dishwasher. It makes our lives easy, convenient. Oh my goodness, guy, I'm no longer afraid of hosting people because I don't have to struggle with dishes. Now, with modern dishwashers, it's no longer like it used to be kitambo. I don't know, because I never had a dishwasher those days, where people used to pre-rinse dishes. Modern dishwashers, you just swipe. Toa tu, the food particles from the plates, the sufurias, the spoons, just wipe the food particles and you load. Okay, even if some food particles will go into the dishwasher, it has a filter. Okay, but because you want to take care of your filter, just toa tu hizo mabaki za chakula before loading. And then on your top rack, when you're loading your dishwasher, place your glasses, your delicate items, your plastic cups or your mugs, place on the top rack. Or anything that cannot withstand too much heat, place it on the top rack. And then place your plates, maana ziko na mafuta, they are oily, they are greasy, on the bottom rack. It is usually hotter. Then, before closing, please make sure you just zungusha that sprinkler of water to make sure it is running all over, that there is nothing that is hindering it from going round. Use your dishwasher detergent, whichever you use. There are people who use liquid, pods, or the tablet. And modern tablets, there are some that are actually all in one. It's a tablet, it's a detergent, it has salt in it, it has a rinse aid, whichever you choose. But using a rinse aid is also very good because rinse aid not only dry your dishes, vyombo zako zitatoka tu kama zimekauka, but it makes your glassy utensils come out sparkling clean. Run a cycle that will suit into your convenience. If you have too many dishes, you can go for the shorter cycles. They go faster, but they consume more water and more power. But if you are not in a hurry, choose the eco cycle. It takes long, but consumes less power and less water. And please remember to take care of your dishwasher. Run a deep clean as often as you can, especially because of the filter. It accumulates the food debris and high chances of it smelling and making your dishwasher to stink. Always check your salt tank if you're using salty water to refill it. There are dishwashers that will indicate that the salt is low. But it is important to always check so that you refill it on time if your water is salty. Because if you don't, your dishes come out with spotty on the surfaces.